Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw directly inside Google Docs. Whether you want to add a custom diagram, a doodle, or just get creative with your document, Google Docs actually makes it pretty easy, and you don't need any add-ons. First, open the Google Doc you want to work on and place your cursor where you want the drawing to appear. Then go up to the top menu, click on Insert, hover over Drawing, and choose Plus New. This will open a drawing canvas where you can create your artwork. Inside the drawing window, you'll see tools for lines, shapes, text boxes, and even freehand drawing. To draw by hand, click the little arrow next to the line tool and choose Scribble. Now just click and drag your mouse to start drawing. It's a fun way to sketch something quick. You can customize your drawing by resizing shapes, changing colors, and even adding text if you need to label anything. Once you're happy with what you've created, click Save and Close, and your drawing will appear right in the dock. If you want to move the drawing around or make it look cleaner, click on it and choose Wrap Text from the options underneath. This lets your document text flow neatly around your drawing. And that's it. That's how easy it is to draw in Google Docs. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.